So this is lemongrass stew, and I got this recipe off a friend of mine. And what I've done, I've got some garlic, ginger, chilli and lemongrass, and I've blended it up in my little blender, and I've fried it off a little bit in my frying pan, and I've added some flank steak I've used, but you can use stewing steak, and I've just browned it all off in my pan, and then I'm going to add it to my slow cooker so that it can stew all day. So the stock I'm going to use is a beef stock, and then I've added some Chinese 5 spices. It says coriander, but I'm not a lover of coriander, so I've put ground coriander in instead. Some dark soy sauce and some brown sugar. So that's going to go in my slow cooker. And then I'm going to add my beef that I've fried in my pan. Get all my marinating. Give it a mix. So I'm cooking that on a low heat, because my slow cooker it tends to burn on a high heat, so it's going on a low heat, and I'll leave that for about 4 hours. I'm going to serve this with boiled rice later. It does say noodles, but I can't get all the noodles anywhere, so it'll have to be rice. So here is my lemongrass beef stew, straight out my slow cooker. You definitely need smelly vision. Oh, it smells delicious. There you go. Lemongrass beef stew. Should be with noodles, but it's not. It's with rice. Oh, delicious.